It's really dark. We're about to get hit real bad.
Following us.
Yeah, the storm is chasing us. We're on our way home. We found a desk.
See you back there.
$10.
And the groceries. Exactly what I wanted to.
That's exactly what she wanted to. We have Popeyes. We're gonna go home and try not to blow away. It's very, it's like black.
The
over
alarms
that
just
way.
went off on our phones too. Or not alarms, but we got those emergency alerts
Yeah.
that there's a severe thunderstorm warning for the next 3 hours. Cade hates storms. Do you see him back there? He's really afraid. Watch.
This is where we're headed. Nice, sunny, beautiful day. Beautiful day. Oh, not so beautiful day. Not a beautiful day. So we're gonna go home, eat some Popeyes, best chicken in the world. Try not to blow away.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so we made it home, but it's coming. The wind is starting to pick up. And just like that, the sun is out, the rain has stopped. Popeyes was banging, as always. Oh, the trees are raining on me. I'm so full, I can barely move. So this is our new desk. Table, desk. Porter is volunteering to clean it for us with baby wipes. Good job, Porter.
Are you gonna vlog me?
Yeah. We're back at it again in the minivan. I've got Cade with me. We are headed to Walmart. We're on a boys trip. It's about the boys today. We are also going to get a baby gate for Ruby. We have the plain like wooden ones, like the cheap wooden gates, but she has learned to either crawl under it or climb over it. So at Walmart they have like the extra tall baby gates. So that's what we're gonna go pick up. It rained pretty good for like an hour straight. And then it got sunny, and now it's getting a little dark again. Round 2 is coming. I hope this will be good though. What goes up to about here? This is the one that we have. Oh yeah, that's a big difference. You won't climb over this ruby. Didn't you want this for your birthday?
No.
It was this. I remember now. Oh, buddy.
Also, subscribe, please. How you going? How's it going? How's it going?
Columbia cake.
Do you not know where the scan is? Where's the scanner?
I didn't see this.
No help needed.
Boom shakalaka. Somebody call the doctor.
Shout out to FGTV. Why did I say that?
The gate that we were using, and this is the new one. Notice a size difference there. Ruby was learning how to kick the bottom of it out, and she would crawl under it, or she would pull herself over it. So now we got the extra tall gate. So good luck, Ruby. Where's your shoes? Baby, where's your shoes?
Those are your feet.
Yep.
You don't have shoes on. Where are they?
Where's your shoes at?
Right there?
Right there.
Where? That your shoe?
Give her a kiss.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yep, chill.
Oh.
Oh, kiss. And
Can I have a hug? Fail.
it's time for the Fidget Cube. So those ones just kind of click. And these two are kind of like spring. And then over here we have the one that I wanted. Little
Oh, that is awesome. I
joystick.
don't think it's gonna focus very well.
And then over here we have this little marbly ball.
Kind of like a mouse.
What are these?
Right?
Yeah.
What are
Did
these,
you ever
Dad?
take the bottoms out of the mouse?
Yeah, they were heavy.
So that's kind of, is that kind of like that? Oh yeah, it is.
Try.
And then below it, just have these little things that spin. And then underneath, we have a little light
Ooh,
switch.
on off. Oh, I like that sound a lot.
Can you try? May I?
And over here, oh, there's a little knob. Can you see that little knob?
I think so. Oh yeah, hold on.
One port.
Yeah, there we go.
Knob.
Oh, cool.
So you hold that, and this thing just spins in circles.
Let me
Pull
try.
it towards me a little bit.
Let me try.
Oh, cool.
And then the last one is just a little, well, that might be where you hold
Where you
it.
hold it.
Little thumbprint thing.
If you guys want to know what this is for, it's for stress relief.
Port, which one's your favorite side?
That one.
Really? Which one? Which one of those two?
My favorite is the joystick.
Show me.
My favorite's the joystick thing too. That's why I bought it. So when I'm walking around the store, I can pretend like I'm in a video game.
You want to bring it, don't you?
I think my favorite is the on-off switch.
Turned off.
I also like the joystick, but I like the on-off switch. And I like these.
So I wanted to come out here and give a little outro to this video. I'm gonna try and start doing that more. Kind of end the video. I normally just stop vlogging and I just cut the video with like a time lapse or something. But I wanted to come outside because look at this sky. Maybe if I can. There we go. We got like a cotton candy sky. A little cotton candy sky behind us. Nice sunset over there. Alright, well, that's gonna do it for today.